40 years ago, we started out in a small garage with a passion for mechanical engineering and a clear vision for the future. With those characteristics, we have managed to create reliable, professional cleaning solutions. That passion and vision was never lost. Together with our younger generation, we have grown into a solid SME with customers in Belgium, the Netherlands, France, and Luxembourg. Loyalty to our original values, service, swiftness, and quality have been key elements in our story to success. Here at Van Damme, we believe in personal advice. Our experts listen, are involved in the thought process, and guide every project down to every minute detail, because every company deserves a solution tailored to its needs. With 95% of our products in stock, we're able to act fast. In need of a quick repair? We're there within 2 to 3 days, guaranteed. You won't find empty promises here at Van Damme. Family has been a vital aspect in our history, and still is to this day. Not just our management has stayed within the family. Our tight-knit team has been working together for years and welcomes new members into our family with open arms, all of them driven by the same values: customer orientation, engagement, passion for the trade, and a solid work ethic. Innovation, sustainability, and humanity have also been playing an irreplaceable role in our path to the future. Van Damme is more than just a supplier. We're your partner in clean and safe working environments. Here at Van Damme, we love innovation, but our service, that will never change.